Many were vaccinated at a Lansing Steak and Shake restaurant today after a confirmed case of hepatitis A was found in an employee. We spoke with the Ingham County Health Department this afternoon, and while this is a serious situation, they're insisting that this particular case shouldn't cause panic. As our Mallory Anderson reports, it's shedding light on the ongoing hepatitis A outbreak we've been dealing with in Michigan for over 2 years.
Today, the Steak and Shake on Edgewood Boulevard in Lansing was business as usual, but that was not the case earlier this week. Only a few days ago, it was discovered an employee of the restaurant had a confirmed case of hepatitis A.
That person working at Steak and Shake did work during the period of time where they would have been contagious, and actually for a fairly substantial number of days and substantial number of hours during that period of time. Probably not knowing.
This means anyone who ate at the restaurant between September 2nd and September 25th may have been exposed and should look out for symptoms, which include fatigue, nausea, abdominal pain, yellow skin, and eyes. The risk of infection is very low, but those who ate at the restaurant recently between the 14th and the 25th are now advised to receive the hepatitis A vaccine. But if you're worried about your children who ate there, there's actually a good chance your kids are in the clear because they're probably already vaccinated.
I mean, this is a recommended childhood vaccine anyway, so really, there's nobody in this community that shouldn't be getting vaccinated with hepatitis A. You add on top of that we have an ongoing, fairly substantial outbreak in this part of the state. Separate and aside from anything that's going on at any particular facility, this is a good time to get vaccinated with hepatitis A.
That substantial outbreak has been going on since August of 2016, and nearly 900 people have been infected to date, with some being hospitalized and others dying. So the health department reminds the community to be aware, look for symptoms, and always wash your hands.
And that was Mallory Anderson reporting. We reached out to Steak and Shake's corporate office for a comment, but they did not get back to us. The Ingham County Health Department says this Edgewood Boulevard location took the case very seriously and worked closely with them. The restaurant was completely closed earlier this week for a complete disinfection with bleach, which was the restaurant's choice to do. Sparrow Hospital is now urging people to call the Ingham County Health Department to get their hepatitis A questions answered.